Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket on a Toyota Tacoma. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, torque wrench, and a gasket scraper. You will also need a new valve cover gasket set and a tube of RTV sealant. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work on your engine. This ensures no accidental electrical shorts occur during the process. Next, we begin the disassembly process. Carefully remove any engine components that are obstructing access to the valve cover, such as air intake hoses or wiring harnesses. Then, disconnect the spark plug wires and ignition coils, setting them aside safely. Finally, using your socket wrench, loosen and remove all the valve cover bolts. It is best to do this in a gradual, crisscross pattern to prevent warping the cover. With the old gasket removed, thorough cleaning is crucial. Use a gasket scraper to remove all old gasket material and sealant from both the valve cover and the cylinder head mating surfaces. Ensure these surfaces are completely clean and dry. Now, apply a thin, consistent bead of RTV sealant at specific corners or joints, as recommended by the manufacturer. Then, carefully place the new gasket onto the valve cover, ensuring it seats correctly. Now it is time for reassembly. Carefully place the valve cover back onto the cylinder head. Reinstall all the valve cover bolts, tightening them gradually in a crisscross pattern to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 7 to 8 foot-pounds. Reconnect all previously removed components, including the spark plug wires and ignition coils. Finally, start the engine and carefully check for any oil leaks around the new gasket to ensure a successful repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.